Hi family, my name is Melita. If you don't know that because you're new here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. So in this video, I will be doing a review on a wig I picked up from Amazon. It's still in the plastic. It came in not even a box. Well, it came in the Amazon box and in this plastic, obviously. I haven't opened it. I just came from out and I'm like, I have to see what's inside. I can't wait for tomorrow. So let's open it together. Let's react together because I don't know what to expect. For what? Was it $49.99? It could be anything. Let's see. Let's see. Like, I'm not in the mood to wear frontals because I do not have the patience right now to be laying my wigs. So I just decided to find something affordable, but hopefully still cute and stuff like that. So, there she is. 8-inch, as you can see there. She's in here. Let's see what came in the stuff first. Oh, so it did not come in a box, but it came in a bag where you can put your wig. So yeah, that's definitely thoughtful. This wig is from Amy wig, I believe. Yeah, I will put their link and details, everything down below. Okay, they have their care card. Give me one of these weaving nets cap. See what else in here. I've you know, the usual lashes that you get. Let's check out the wig. So it's curly. I got the 4x4 closure. Okay, I am so scared. Oh goodness. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm not really in the mood to be laying frontals right now, so I really did need something that I could just put on and off. Okay. Oh my gosh. First of all, the closure, guys. Let me look at this. They bleached this closure properly, yo. Wow. Look at this. Closure is bleached. I was thinking I would have to bleach it, but that's one thing I don't have to worry about now, right? And this is the hair. Oh wow, you guys, surprisingly it feels so nice. $44.99. Oh, it doesn't have a bad smell to it. It has the usual 2 combs, 1 hair, and adjustable stripes. And this hair is really full. They did say it was 150% density. That's what they said. Guys, wow, like the hair feels so nice, but let me put it on my head, right? I cannot believe this. The hair feels so nice. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. It's like, that's not what I envisioned. Like, oh, it actually do have 4 combs, guys, because they have a comb right here too. But I usually take my combs out, so I will be taking it out. What? Oh my gosh, you guys, I am like super excited because I can feel the quality of the hair. So now I'm just going to show you a little bit of the parting. It has a decent parting where you can do a side part if you wanted to for a closure. Listen, this hair is so soft. I'm just going to show you the back is nice and dense in the back, pretty full. The curves are so soft, like I can get over it. How is this wig a cheap wig? How? I just went ahead, right, and just put on the adjustable stripe and adjust it, and look at how snug it looks on my head. Just with the adjustable stripes. I did not put the comb anywhere. Obviously I haven't cut the lace yet, but I'm just like so shook right now. Gosh, look at it's so well made. Look at how it's cut though. You better get your hands on this wig if you can. Why? Gosh, I haven't put water or anything on it. This is just the natural fresh curls. Wow, I finally got me a nice everyday wig that I can just slap on without even worrying about glue. That's perfect. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I said I had to return it, but I guess I don't have to, so that's good. So I like to cut my lace with eyebrow razor because that way it doesn't give the lace a straight blunt cut. It kind of give it a little bit of rough edges, and that's what you want for your lace. And this lace, you don't have much to cut, so I'm gonna go ahead and put powder on it just to make it match my complexion better. And after that, I will go ahead and start cutting my baby hair. What we're looking like so far. I did a little bit of baby hair. I will work on it later on. I haven't put any product apart from my got to be gel just to do my edges. Look at this wig with it's not even glued down with anything, not even the got to be gel. I just put the wig on, and yes. So let me spray some water in it. And so as I was spraying water in this hair, I was gonna give you my final review right after that, but I thought to myself, what if I can just wear this hair for at least 2 weeks, then I can really give you a true review on it. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. As you saw there, the hair has little to no shedding, and that is awesome. Okay, now when I spray water on the hair, it became even more soft and the curls were like super popping. Like, look at that. My finger is gliding through this hair so nicely. I'm like so shocked. I am. You see how deep the parting is? And we have a lot of parting space to do a side part if you wanted to, but I'm just gonna leave it as a middle part right now because it looks cute. Oh my gosh. The hair is still nice and bouncy, like so beautiful. The curls are still. Okay guys, this is me 2 weeks of wearing this Amazon wig. Oh my gosh, 2 weeks of wearing a $49. Go ahead, keep calling it 44. $49.99 wig for 2 weeks. And listen, I have not experienced any tangling. I cannot say it doesn't shed because even my own hair, my natural hair, sheds. So I get a little to no shedding on this hair. And the only product I put in it is this mousse and water. I haven't put any other product in it except of those two, and it been doing well for 2 whole weeks. I've been loving it. It hasn't changed on me. It hasn't gotten hard. It's still as soft as it was the first day I got it to now. Is still that soft. And as you've seen, I customized the wig. I didn't like plug it. I just cut it shorter, the lace the baby hair shorter to my liking, and that's all I did. Like I said, this is a nice everyday wig, but listen, this is more than just an everyday wig. Okay, you can actually really put this on glam and you will be on your way. And it's such a nice protective styling. From days that I don't feel like doing my hair, I just throw this on and I'm on my way out the door. I love this hair. If you guys want me to come back with a 1 month update, I will do that to see how it's doing 1 month from now. But listen, it's holding up good. So if you can get your hands on it, definitely be sure to get it. I mean, it's only $49.99 and it feels so nice and good. Like, the luxury of this hair is a deal for the price. That's what I'm trying to say. For the price, it outdid what it is supposed to do, at least in my opinion. So if you're not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. When you do, hit the notification bell so you will not miss an upload from me again. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.